In question 1, calcium phosphate is basic salt as it is salt of weak acid, that is phosphoric acid, and slightly stronger base, that is calcium hydroxide. Also, when pH of our mouth falls down 5.5 due to eating of sweets etc., that is mouth is acidic, the solution of tooth enamel, that is calcium phosphate, start which slow that calcium phosphate in basic in nature. Second question says bleaching powder gives chlorine on exposure to air by reacting with carbon dioxide. In second question number 2, this apparent bending of the pencil is due to refractions of light when it passes from water into air. Third question is stomata are tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Tentacles are loosely arranged cell present on woody part of the plant which help in gaseous exchange. Fourth question says the two main properties which lead the carbon to form a huge number of carbon compounds are catenations and tetravalencies of carbon. The answer of fifth question is a virtual image larger than the object can be obtained by concave mirror. Or the phenomena of reflections of light from an object in all directions is called scattering of light. Sixth number is six questions. Both part develop their organ of body and becomes two complete individuals. Or secretions of testosterone hormones, formations of sperms. In question number 7, the structure of diamond, all the four valence electrons of carbon are involved in the formations of covalent bond. Thus, no free electrons are available, whereas in the structure of graphite, 3 electrons in the valence shell of carbons are involved in covalent bond formations. The fourth electron is free to move, therefore graphite is a good conductor of electricity. In questions 8, the volume of wire does not change when the wire recasted. If L and A are the original length and area of cross sections and L and A are their corresponding value on recasting, then we can calculate R dash, that is R by 4. In question 9, the mitochondria is the cell organelle which takes part in a cellular respirations. All enzymes related to it are found in this cell organelle. In question 10, the bond present in F2 molecules is formed by the sharing of electron, hence it is a covalent bond. Question number 11 is given radius of curvature R is equal to 12 centimeter. We know that the focal length of a concave mirror has negative value. Therefore, the focal length F is equal to minus R by 2, that is minus 6 centimeter. Question 12, X and Y will have the same valency, then 1 as the belonging to group 1 and 17 group respectively. Question 13, the field line inside a solenoids are in the form of parallel line. They indicate a uniform magnetic field. Question number 14 is answer is A. In question number 15 the answer is B. In 16 the question number 16 the answer is A. And in 17.1 the answer is A. 17.2 answer is C. 17.3 answer is B. In 17.4 answer is C. And 17.5 answer is C. Next question is question number 18. Answer is 18A. 18.2 the answer is A. The typical food chain always begin with a producer followed by a primary consumer. Question number 18.3 answer is C. Question number 18.4 answer is C. 2 smallest energy transform and 3 larger energy loss. In question 19.1 the answer is D. In both circuits the resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel combinations. Question number 19.2 the answer is B. Let R dash be the equivalent resistance of combinations of resistors R1 and R2. Then net equivalent resistance of the circuit R net is equal to R dash plus R3. The answer is 4 ohm. In next question 19.3 the answer is B. In the given circuit the voltmeter and ammeter are not connected correctly. For correct experiment ammeter should be connected in series and voltmeter in parallel in the circuit. In questions 19.4 the answer is B. To find the equivalent resistance the voltmeter should be connected in parallel and ammeter in series in the circuit. Question number 19 5, the answer is D. In the given circuit, the resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel combinations. In question 20, 21, answer is B. In question 22, an answer is C. In question 23rd, answer is C. Question 24, answer is D. And in 5, answer is A. In 21 questions, when Ba react with iodine, barium react with iodine, then barium iodide is formed, BaI2. In question 2, when calcium hydroxide is react with carbonic acid, then calcium carbonate and water will formed. In question 22, first, sperms are teeny bodies that consist of mainly genetic material. They have a long tail that helps them to move towards the female germ cell. And in question 2, the diagram given will, that is the human male reproductive systems. In question 23, the electronic configuration of chlorine, that is atomic number is 17, it means 287. And question number 24, the given height of object HO is equal to 6 centimeter and focal length, that is 25 centimeter, and distance of object U is equal to minus 40 centimeter. Using length formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, we will find the distance of an image, that is V, 66.67 centimeter. This is the answer. In question 25th, that is the function of the part level in the flower are as follows. A. Anther. Anther. The function of anther is the formations of pollen grain. B. Style. The function is transfer the male gametes from stigma to ovary during fertilizations. And C. Ovary. The function is contain ovules which develop into seeds while ovary forms the fruits. 26 number question is, the resistance is the property of the conductor by virtue of which it opposes or resists any flow of charge through it. In question number 27, that is decomposition reactions, the reactions in which a single reactant breaks down to form two or more product is known as decomposition reactions. As for example, calcium carbonate when decomposed to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. In question 28, 1, let R be the angle of refractions applying Snell's law, given I is equal to 40 degree, N is equal to 1.5, then refractive index N is equal to sine I by sine R. Therefore, sine R is equal to sine I by N is equal to sine 40 divided by 1.5, that is R is equal to 25 degree 37 inch. In question 29, first, the P in pH stand for potence, which means power in German. pH is a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solutions. Question number 2, as the pH value of solution A is 3, that is acidic in nature, hence it turns litmus solutions from blue to red, and phenolphthalein indicator is basic in change its color to pink. And question third, it turns the universal indicator solutions green as its pH value is 7. Question 30, the adaptations of photosynthesis in the leaves are as follows. Number A, large surface area for maximum light absorption. B, presence of chlorophyll containing chloroplast. C, presence of numerous stomata on the surface of leaf for gaseous exchange. Question 31, first number. The combination in which the resistance are connected in parallel combinations. Question number 2, close the key K and record the reading of ammeter and voltmeter for combining circuit. Now, keep the key K open and remove the ammeter and voltmeter from the circuit and insert the voltmeter parallel and ammeter in series with the resistors R1, which is shown in the figure. Question 32. After ovulations, the event takes place in the uterus and vagina depends upon two conditions. Number 1 is, in case fertilization occurs, the inner wall of uterus thickness to receive the developing zygote. In question 2, in case fertilization does not occur, the thickened wall of uterus along with the blood vessels break down and moves out of the vagina in the form of blood discharge called menstruation flow, which lasts for 2 to 5 days. In question 34, we will find the distance. We will find the distance of an object as given m is equal to minus b by u. In this case, by applying mirror formula, we will find the distance of an object. In question 2, we will find the nature of image and the distance of an image, that is v. Uh, in question 1 or questions, speed of light increases when it travels from a denser medium to a rare medium. That is, when a light travels from kerosene to ice or benzene to ice, its speed increases. B number, speed of light decreases when it travels from a rare medium to a denser medium. That is, when a light travels from ice to saffron or kerosene to rock salt, its speed decreases. In question 35, number 1, element which contain 1 or 3 electron in the outermost shell are metals. That is, element containing 4 to 7 electron in their valence shell are non-metals. As we know that the electronic configuration of A, that is the atomic number if 11, that is 281. If the element C, the atomic number 12, the electronic configuration will 282. If element E, the electronic configuration 287, it contains 287. Next one is B, the atomic number 9, the electronic configurations will 27. In D, atomic number 15, the electronic configuration will 285. Hence A and C are metal, whereas D, B and E are non-metal. In section 2, A is metal and B is non-metal. So bond formed will be ionic. In B sections, A is metal and E is non-metal, so the bond form is ionic. In section C, D is non-metal and E is also a non-metal, so the bond form will be covalent bond.